Buckle up, folks. We are about to take a wild ride from 2024 to 2025 where AI isn't just growing, it's exploding. Let's see how a single year can change, well, everything. In 2024, we saw AI make some impressive strides, but 2025, it's like AI drank a gallon of rocket fuel. We're talking about AI adding a mind-blowing $15.7 trillion to the global economy. That's like creating an economy the size of China in just 1 year. Let's start with the big picture. In 2024, companies were still dipping their toes in the AI pool, but by 2025, they're doing cannonballs. We're seeing AI spending hit $337 billion, with a whopping 67% of that coming from businesses integrating AI into their core operations. That's not just growth, that's a gold rush. Now let's zoom in on some industries. Healthcare. In 2024, AI was like a promising intern. In 2025, it's the star resident. We are seeing 90% of the hospitals using AI, up from 50% the year before. This tech is set to save 150,000 lives annually in the US alone. That's like saving the entire population of a small city every year. Finance. Hold on to your wallets. In 2024, AI was handling maybe 20 to 30% of trades. By 2025, it will be managing 60% of global assets. That's like going from a smart piggy bank to having Warren Buffett as your personal financial advisor overnight. Manufacturing. In 2024, smart factories were the exception. In 2025, they are the rule. We are looking at a 20% jump in productivity, adding a cool $500 billion to the global GDP. It's like giving every factory a superhero cape. Retail. Remember how in 2024 online shopping was getting pretty good at guessing what you want? Well, 2025 is going to make that look like a lucky guess. AI-driven personalization is set to boost conversion rates by 30%, potentially adding $800 billion to global retail revenues. It's like every store suddenly knows you better than your best friend. Automotive. In 2024, self-driving cars were still mostly a fancy tech demo, but 2025, we are seeing 10% of vehicles on the road being fully autonomous. That's millions of cars driving themselves, potentially slashing traffic deaths by 90%. We're going from look, no hands to look, no drivers in the blink of an eye. Energy. 2024 saw smart grids starting to take off. By 2025 is when they really shine, reducing energy waste by 30% and saving $15 billion annually. It's like giving Mother Earth a big green hug. Agriculture. In 2024, precision farming was gaining ground. By 2025, it's the new normal, increasing crop yields by 20%. That's enough to feed an extra 815 million people. We're talking about solving world hunger with robots and AI. But here's the kicker. All this growth isn't just about fancy tech. It's about people too. In 2024, we saw a growing emphasis on AI skills. By 2025, we are looking at a workforce that's not just AI aware, but AI fluent. It's like we're all getting a free upgrade to Human 2.0. Now, it's not all roses and rainbows. With great power comes great responsibility, right? As we race from 2024 to 2025, we are also seeing a huge focus on AI ethics, privacy, and regulation. It's like we're building a rocket ship and writing the safety manual at the same time. So there you have it, folks. The jump from 2024 to 2025 isn't just a new year. It's a new era. We are not just stepping into the future, we're taking a giant leap. Are you ready for the ride of your life? Remember, in this AI-powered world, staying informed is your superpower. So, if you want to keep up with this AI revolution, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. And as we stand on the brink of this AI-powered future, just remember, the future isn't something that happens to us. It's something we create. So let's make an awesome one.